Hey, what's up, parent? Welcome to Profit Web for one more learning video tutorial. And today I'm gonna go with multiple choice question. So what we are doing, we are utilizing this generative AI to generate the MCQ. Okay. So I've already done two videos, especially accessing the Hugging Face model, such as generative AI, generating the text from request model from the request library. Okay, this third part I'm going to show you how you can just do few of the prompts. So from that you can get and clean output. Okay, so let's get started. So we all start with a request. Okay, so this is a required library and we need JSON. The next thing is we'll go with import pandas. Okay, so we just try to fetch those data as in CSV. Okay, so you can take your data in which way you are looking for. Okay, so we'll start with the R. So it will be request dot post, and what we are giving here, we are giving the router. So it will be router dot Hugging Face dot go slash version 1 chat hash completions. Okay, so this will be your router, and before getting to this you need a API key. So we call that API key as an open RHF. The API key is in read format. Okay, e.txt. You can get this from Hugging Face, or and you have to read, and in case if any spaces are there you need to strip. Okay, so these are the thing you need to do here. And after router, just set with the headers. We'll say headers equals we have to give the authorization. So authorization. Okay, and in this authorization we'll format, we'll say bearer. Okay, and here we will give the key. Okay, so that's it. Authorization is done, and now we'll move to the JSON part. So we'll say JSON equals, and we'll start with model. So in model, the model name is required. So we say model, and we have to give that model name, which is arc dash AI slash Trinity. Okay, Trinity dash large thinking. So you have to be perfect in this. Whichever I'm coding as of right now, required a perfect syntax. So this what happens, the clean code will generate all of the stuff you are looking for. Okay, so this is important. So we say model, and in this model what we can say, messages. So next step will be for messages, and here we can say about the messages. In messages, what are the things will be there? So we got a role, and role is definitely an user, and then we have to give the content. Okay, so content will be the required stuff. Okay, content. So if you are giving the content, you will start with a solid bracket. Within this, there will be another bracket will be there, which says about the main content. So we have to say about, otherwise in all of the stuff you can just say content and in content you can give the message. So format dot and say I need 5 MCQs about. So definitely we are getting this in a module. We have here you have to mention get MCQs, and within that you have to give a variable. After this it should be in a proper way. So here just set each and everything. And when we started the 5 MCQs about, here about in the sense we have to give the topic. Topic will be there with options. Topic with options as ABCD, as A, comma B, comma C, comma D. Okay. And after this, the main point which you have to say is that return this stuff, return valid JSON array only. Okay, so it will give you the perfect question and answer in a required format. Okay, we will close this stuff. Messages you got, and we started this, so we try to close. Okay, so here we got this stuff, and we need to return. So before return we have to say content. So content will be r.json parenthesis, which will say as in choices. Okay, choices it will get accumulated with all those stuff. So we try to come out from this, and we have to say message, and final it will be content. Okay, so after this what happens, we will return this content will JSON dot loads content. Okay, so this will be enough. So before getting to this, just check with our syntax that everything is perfect. Minute. Before getting into this JSON, and since suppose if we open this bracket, so we have to deal with the messages. So messages is kind of should be covered in a solid bracket. Okay, so here and here we are done. So I hope the JSON which we started, that should be covered, and now we are perfect. So what we can do, we can say this as a data, and we will call our MCQs. So get under MCQs. So our topic will be machine learning Python. Okay, so it will give MCQs. At least 5 MCQs I'm looking for. So we'll print this stuff and see whether we got the JSON or not. So small errors are there. We got our data, as you can see, and it is in a valid JSON format. Now what we can do, we can utilize for so many purpose. We just get in this CSV, and with the pandas we can do cleaning, processing, visualization with the help of matplotlib. Okay, so that is the reason I'm giving this. The next step, what we have to do, since it is JSON, I just directly call in a data frame and I'll show this in Excel. So data will be there, and this should be in a CSV, and we have to call this index equals false, so the numbers won't get accumulated. And yes, I think this will be enough to. So one more thing, you have to name it here to CSV. So after this, what happens, you have to give the name. It will be data.csv. Okay, and that should be false. That is okay. Close. And here content with options, chars. Okay, and return valid JSON. Sorry. Instead of only, and say this, and let's run.